In this video, I'm going to show you how much money a TikTok account with over 60,000 followers made in a 1 month period. What's up YouTube? It is Nick from Rise Up Reactions. I usually do content with reactions and other stuff like that, but I created a separate channel because I want to give advice on how you can make money on TikTok and YouTube and more, and also understand analytics a little bit more. I feel like I've been doing this for about 3 years now, and I kind of have a pretty good understanding of how analytics work, how money works on social media and other things like that. And I just want to give a video or a channel rather, kind of recognition with that and try to help as many people as I can. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to show you Reaction Therapy's TikTok. Go follow Reaction Therapy. It's on my hat right here. I manage Reaction Therapy on TikTok, on Instagram, on YouTube. On YouTube, Reaction Therapy has over 360,000 subscribers. It has over 60,000 on TikTok, and we are growing and making more money because of a few simple tricks that I want to show y'all throughout these videos. Let me know if you want to see more specific breakdowns on different things. I'm going to be pretty generic in this video, but I want to show y'all exactly how much money Reaction Therapy made in 1 month on TikTok. And I'm going to show you some analytics right now, so let me pull them up. This is Reaction Therapy's main TikTok. Let me put that down so you can see it a little bit better. This is Reaction Therapy's TikTok. You can see some of the analytics here. You can also see some of the video views. These are the most recent. You can see the top 3 pinned videos. I want to specifically talk about the temporary Eminem video that was posted less than a month ago and is already almost at 1 million views. And that is huge when it comes to making money on TikTok. Obviously, the more views you have on a video, the better chance you have to make money. But I'm going to go specifically into analytics here. I'm not going to go specifically into certain videos, but I can show you a breakdown of that in another video if you want. But I want to go just straight into the meat of all of this and kind of get you the money side of everything right away. So let's go into the TikTok studio. You can see these are the analytics over the past 7 days. And these are some of the only other ones that we have had go big in the last 60 days. But now I want to go into kind of the money side of everything. So let me go back. So we're going to go to Creator Rewards Program. And when this loads, you're going to see something that says 7 days. We're going to customize it to go to exactly the beginning of July. I'm just going to do the beginning of July until August 10th. We're going to go into qualified views. I'm going to show you this. So before I give you the exact number of what we've made, I want to show you all the views breakdown. So this is a tip right here that I can go into more detail with, but here are some tips for you if you're trying to make content on TikTok, how to make it a little easier on yourself and how to what to watch out for. What you want to do, you can see here we've had 2.8 million views in the last about 40 days. Only 1.3 million of them have been qualified. There's been 1.5 million views that are ineligible. Why are they ineligible, you might ask? Well, it says right here, the biggest thing that you need to watch out for is the watch time. Okay, we've had 33% of our views that are ineligible be because of watch time. It's because the watch time was less than 5 seconds. If the watch time on your video is less than 5 seconds, that view does not count towards an eligible view. So if you are watching a creator and you literally like them and you may not like the video, watch it for more than 5 seconds. It will help them out. But yeah, the watch time is a big one. So you want to make sure you can engage your audience for more than 5 seconds. That is the biggest key, is less than 5 seconds. I feel like that is a big one for people. Also, you can have the repeat views from the same user. So if somebody just watches it over and over and over, only their first view counts. So that's another thing. So you can't just watch over and over and over and expect to get paid for each view. It doesn't work like that. Another big one that I think a lot of people don't understand completely is the not watched from For You feeds. 12% of the ineligible views that we have are because the videos were not watched from the For You feed. So if you like a content creator and you go to their profile and look for a video, those, when you click on a certain video on a profile, those views do not count towards monetization for that channel. So whenever you see a video on the For You feed and it's a creator you like, that might be one you want to watch for 5 seconds. You might want to watch it from that For You feed because that will count for them. So just some things that I think are key to watch out for that people might not even realize. So if you're just a watcher, I guess you could say, or if you are a creator, these are some things you want to watch out for when you're posting TikToks and you're like, why am I not making any money from my TikTok? Another big one is when you join the creator rewards program. As you can see, this is what this is. Another thing is you have to have a video over a minute long. So if your video is less than a minute, none of this even matters. None of the views are qualified because it's less than a minute. So you want to make sure your video is over a minute long, and these things right here are kind of important to look at as well. That is kind of the tips and tricks I have for this video. If you want me to go more in depth or give you some other tips and tricks for making money on TikTok, let me know. I will make another video about it. So let me go back and show you the exact number that we've made. So as you can see here, I'm going to unblur it now. We have made from July 1st to August 10th, we have made 1.26K on TikTok. So that's a little over $1,200. So that is what we've had for 1.3 million. So you can see that is about $1 per 1,000 views. And I can go into a video breaking down each video and how I think this video did well. Go into the actual video side of it, how to make better videos. But I would just wanted to show you, this is the number that Reaction Therapy made in the month of July to a little past August. Like I said here, you can check this number, $142 in August so far. So most of the money has come in July, but we've made a little bit in August so far too. But July was a big month. We had a lot of big videos, and that is part of the reason why. Obviously, you're gonna have to have videos that are highly viewed and are videos that people want to watch. But I just want to give you those tips and tricks and kind of how you can watch out for certain things. But I made this whole channel based on all of this stuff. So if you're interested in more of this, let me know. As you can see, we got paid on July 15th for the past month, and we only made $96. So from going from $96 to 1.26K, something clicked, and I can give you more info on what I think clicked and what happened. And that will be in the next video if you want to see it. But that's going to do it for me. I don't want to make this super long. So let me know what else you want to see in the future. I definitely am down to give you more tips and tricks. That's why I made this channel. So let me know what you want to see next. But yeah, this is a video on how you can make money on TikTok. This is exactly how much Reaction Therapy made in the month of July. Let me know what else you want to see. I'm happy to do more breakdowns on all this stuff. But thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to this channel. I know it's very new, so I don't have any subscribers really right now, but hopefully by the time you're seeing the next video, we have more of a family over here. I'm all about helping people, and I think I can give some wise insight on how to make money on social media. So thank you for watching. I'll see y'all on the next one.